I'm here in the city of Leeuwarden because it's a fest. I'm dancing. I'm so happy enjoying here. They are looking at me. Okay, thank you, well. Hello guys, this is a fest in Netherlands, and then look at the kids playing. What is this? What is that? It is a what? Bobby. Wow! Can I do that? Huh? This is? What is that?
Software.
A software. So handsome, kidnapped. This is the fiesta here in Netherlands. See hi. Hello guys, this is the kind of a feast here. Look at the people, very enjoy. They are enjoying, look at that. This is Friesland, Netherlands, and Leeuwarden. Yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Hello! Hello, this is from Philippines also. Mura na siya. Kuan ba? Butangan ka na siya. Kuan? Sabaw? Saan mo na siya? Uy?
Fruits, vegetables. Yeah?
Hello guys, we are here in the city of Leeuwarden. Look at the people. Mao ni sila kang kauban, mga gwapa kayo. Artista din si Sibuday. Artista ni siya ba dramaturga? Hindi si drama. Unsa ka yung station day? Oh, mauto siya.
Those first minister.
Here you can see it.
Hi, hello. How are you? I'm good. Wow. They put in the TV. Yeah.
Hey.
Hi, hello. Who got here? Oh, look at that, huh? Because I'm very friendly, that's why. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Okay, Namshis, this is friends. Kluk, kluk. Oh, see it. Kluk. Kluk. I don't know what is that. Kluk, for what? But it's so beautiful, huh? Beautiful, it's so nice. Thank you. Hello guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget
So subscribe in Lynn's page.
Thank you. Bye.